Hey guys, this is Maria from TreviSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. As you must likely know that hashtags are a crucial element in order to improve your social media performance. And if you have your own hashtag that you add into your post, there are bigger chances that it will start spreading between users and your brand will reach a wider audience. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can create the one. Go to Instagram, click on the plus icon at the bottom. Now start creating a post as you would normally do. So take a photo, record a video, or upload a visual from your camera roll. Tap Next. Apply a filter and edit your picture if you want. After that, hit the next icon one more time. Now it is time to add an image description and create your hashtag. In this case, simply press on the right a caption window, put the hashtag symbol, and type in your hashtag. Once you do it, share your post. If you click on your created hashtag, you will be able to see all of the posts that contain this hashtag. Also, you can tap the follow button in order to easily track the posts and consequently users who added your hashtag. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create your own hashtag on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreviSocial.com.